Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to do face swap in CapCut. First, let us open up our CapCut app. And on the bottom here, click on Template. It will show you pre-made templates from other users. Now on the top here, search for face swap. You can see here different templates that is free to use. Let's try on right here and you can see the preview of the face swap. Let's stop here on the use template and we have to select pictures for the edit. I will input here sample face I get from the internet. And you can see here that the CapCut does the face swapping. So now you can export it directly to your device or straight to TikTok. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.